Who's going to try them on first?
Can I do it? Oh, but you already have glasses. I've been colourblind for longer.
Oh, wait, wait.
Nice, slick black colour. Mine is in black, smooth black. This is how you guys see everything. All along. Oh my! I'm gonna try. Can I try mine on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. This is. Okay. Wow. This is a lot different. This is really cool.
Is it really different?
Yeah, it's way different. Oh my.
Jake's having a go.
Everything's pinky.
Yeah, everything's slightly redder. Yeah, it's slightly that. Now look at the van. It looks colour. It looks more purple. And now that one actually looks green. Everything. What? Your T-shirt. It looks different.
Are they working for you, Jake?
I love these.
I mean, some people it takes a while to get used to, and
Yeah, is everything always been like this red?
Yes.
They can't tell.
Essentially, yes. As far as I understand it, everything has always been this red, and that's part of the problem. It's just
I'd say I have superior vision.
Superior.
What? How do you guys see the grass like that? Oh my! I didn't notice the grass. Oh, that is mad. Grass right there. Dead leaves are actually brown. Wait, what? Where? They've always been like a darker green. This is great. The glasses are already making me smarter. I'm turning into a nerd. This is great. You guys are insane. How do you always see it like this?
well, it's just how we see. What is it? I mean, is it just brighter?
No, it's
It
everything's
literally makes
darker.
everything a bit pinker.
It's everything's a bit pinker.
purplier. Yeah.
So, guys, tell us about your glasses.
Well, it's certainly a lot different to normal. It's sort of like a completely different shade to what it normally is. You know, like, and I can definitely see colours a lot more clearly now. Like telling the difference between felt tips and crayons and stuff.
Yep. Do you all agree?
You know what I found really weird?
Go on.
Was it when I took my glasses off people's hair, everything seems a lot greener than it would normally.
Right. Okay. So, does it take you a little while to get used to your glasses when you put them on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm used to not having them on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just because the colour. I mean, does it 5 minutes or something just to sort of readjust? Yeah. And do you think it helps you tell colours?
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
it
sure.
does. Yeah. Much better.
A lot of the colours are a lot more different. Like as in, you can tell them apart a lot easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like we had two blue balloons, and they seemed like they're just blue. But when I took my when I took my glasses off, they're both blue. But when I put them on, one was blue and one was purple.
Yep.
And it was much easier to tell the difference, I think.
Do you think it'll be helpful at school and uni?
Yeah, probably.
Not as much for me.
Have any of you tried watching telly and playing games and things?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, all of us.
And what do you reckon?
It's pretty good.
Yeah? Does it make a difference? Because I know with
Yes.
games sometimes you have trouble spotting between
Yeah,
red
a
and
lot.
green.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of colourblind board games which we never played because we had nearly everyone was colourblind.
That's true. We do have some board games that have got colours in them which we haven't played.
You have
Yeah.
to try one.
Yeah.
we have to try one of
So I
them.
got
And what do you think about do they look and feel comfy, your glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're-
they're quite comfy.
They're they're the kind of glasses that you can leave on, and after a while you just forget that you're even wearing glasses.
Yep. Excellent.
You look well tanned with these glasses.
I know, but
Yeah, you're not.
I'm disappointed. I look green when I take my glasses off though.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave him for a second and then you won't.
Green.
I absolutely adore this.
I'm gonna go wearing these
Just
forever.